What is up, every person? Welcome return to the Crypto Blitz, your home in your crypto restoration. I'm your host, Ripple Van Winkle. Hopefully everybody's having an exceptional day, folks. It's Wednesday midway through the week, November 13th, and the market's looking beautiful. We did a live move ultimate nighttime emergency broadcast around, I do not know, 3:34 p.m. It lasted hours. We have over 5,000 people coming to the display. We were talking about XRP. We did a lot of other alts we got on live display that's scheduled every Wednesday. Don't neglect it tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can capture me on TikTok, YouTube, or Twitter as we broadcast throughout all three of these systems. Now, on this episode, we are going to move over the markets, communicate approximately what passed off final time, study the price of XRP and what it is doing, what we are searching at, observe Bitcoin. Is a retrace coming, or is it up from right here? We're going to talk about Ripple and the Federal Reserve because something is cooking and something is brewing, and I suppose I have an awesome concept what it's for. Me. So without an addition ado, sit back, relax, let's leap right into a Bitcoin. $88,000 and $4, 0.0000 is presently up 1.11% inside the beyond 24 hours. The Ethereum coming in at $3.169, and it's currently down 2.89%. USDT is coming in at its dollar peg as USDC is an average lien, 99 cents, and XRP, yeah buddy, 67 cents, currently up 3.16%. Total cryptocurrency market cap, $2.932 billion. Now what a variety of human beings want to recognize, where does XRP pass from here? Now, the day prior to this, in case you neglected the stay flow, I'll give you a brief little recap here, what we are searching at. And it's quite simple. 70 cents is our key resistance place to get us to the following move to the upside. We attacked 70 cents 6 instances. Yes, 6 instances yesterday. On the 6th try, we sooner or later have been capable to interrupt out. Now, I instructed you 70 cents is only a little bit of a pace bump. Once we get past that, 75 cents is your subsequent key degree. That is the level we are searching at to interrupt above and open the pathway, the roadway to $1. I will let you understand if we have been not able to get by way of 75 cents, we need to keep that 70 cent place. If that did now not destroy, the following key level at the mana down is 65 cents to maintain. If that does not ruin, 60 cents. So you may see this, there is a totally slender street right here for us to get via. And the goals have by no means changed. And we've been calling those goals, I think, due to the fact Q1, we known as XRP at 75 cents and across the summerish time frame. We advised you about these 3 major speed bumps. Let's see where we push from here. We're proper within the center, I mean, useless splat in the middle. This thing can go either way as once. Obviously, if Bitcoin corrects, XRP goes to accurate as nicely. But if Bitcoin begins to push back up, we will see the altcoins get dragged up with it. 75 cents proper now is the essential resistance that we want to get via, and that's going to open up the path to a greenback, which is coming a lot earlier than most humans think. Now, will Bitcoin have a retrace? That's the huge query. It handiest appears logical and becoming for Bitcoin to retrace from right here. It just truly exploded. It's up over 30% within the last 30 days. How deep is it going to be? That's what I get asked loads. I get DMs on this all the time. I do not suppose it is going to be that awful. I simply don't. 80 to 83,000, I think that's the lowest we pass. I mean, this is the warm-up. This is the start. The bull run I instructed you once we broke 74. 0.00, it was past time, here we are. We have been flirting around that resistant vicinity that I talked about a lot on this channel. We're still sitting at 88,000 is the hurdle for Bitcoin I accept as true with it. It's simplest logical to appear a touch bit of a pullback here before we start to ascend returned up and get to that 100,000 to 110,000 greenback location earlier than the give up of the year. Comes my eyes are on the market. Look, we wait 3.5 years for this second and know the bull run, the bull market isn't coming to and quit this year, folks. This factor is going or walks all of the way into subsequent year. We are searching at summerish fallish time body for the ones parabolic tops to come in, after which for the markets to enter their endure market. Now, how do we realize if the bear marketplace is going to be invalidated? It's quite simple. We want to preserve a watch on the institutions. If the establishments jump in, we ain't going to appear a bear market. We will see a correction in market 100%. However, we're not going to go going to look the standard undergo market. We're used to where the assets pass down 90 to 95%. If you don't have a Luxlines NFT, you are halfway via the month, and I do not know what you're looking forward to because you're slacking. These minimalist Gen 2 remixes are the latest line that we've got out, folks. You buy one, you earn XRP returned. You buy, you earn more XRP lower back. Credit card or XRP is conventional. If you only purchase an NFT in November and you hold it come February, March, you still earn XRP returned. That's how simple it's miles. Ash Crypto put this out. Bitcoin dominance is getting closer to its cycle top. As soon as the crash starts, off-evolved Altseason will begin. He's spot on. Let me blow this up, but is that this honestly going to be the pinnacle and you recognize it seems like the top is pretty freaking near and he's going for the pinnacle coming like in December from searching at his chart. Ain't going to appear, is not going to take place. We will not see Bitcoin's top bar. Available at the dominance until next 12 months. That is, while we are able to get the rotation out into alts. But in case you are a chart looker, a chart viewer, you need to take note of what the markets are going to do next. You need to be aware of one chart and one chart and one chart only. And this is the Bitcoin dominance chart. Decryptominute.com put this out. Is this a breather? Before the following move, it states Bitcoin's fee prolonged gains above $88,000. Bitcoin is now consolidating gains near $90 K and may see a minor decline within the close to time period. The fee is trading above $86,500 and the 100-hour simple shifting common. There is a connecting bullish fashion line forming with guide at $85,200 on the hourly chart and the Bitcoin to US dollar pairing charge coming over from Kraken. The pair could keep to upward thrust if it remains above 85,000. I advise you my decline sitting around 88.83. They are wondering 85.0000 is that key degree that we want to stay above. It says Bitcoin's rate started out a fresh boom above 85.0000. Bitcoin cleared the 86,500 resistance and traded to a brand new all-time excessive. It posted an excessive right around 89,852 and it is presently consolidating profits. People are taking earnings. There's surely nothing incorrect with taking income. It says there has been a minor decline to the $88,500 stage. However, the price is still nicely above the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement degree of the upward flow from $78.555 within the swing low to the $89,852 high. There is likewise a connecting bullish trend line forming with support at $85,200 on the is now trading above the 100-hour simple transferring common. On the upside, it could see resistance sitting around 88,500. We're currently sitting at 88,000, so you could see we're currently sitting at resistance. And the primary key level to take note of for the following breakout is going to be proper above 90,000. It is coming earlier than you suspect. Remember, what is going up must come down at some point, folks, and have to discover its new base. Once it receives its new base and begins to get new consumers due to the fact humans assume that is the lowest viable point, that it's going to go new customers input the marketplace and they ship the cost back up. That's how simple this is. Then we get over, I'm going to bypass this one overlaying the following article, but that is the massive information that came out yesterday. So Canary Capital, they have an XRP ETF filing out there. Now they just released a Canary H-bar. ETF as properly and weekend appearance. HBAR answered thoroughly the day before today to this news. You may see the spike, all of the manner up. It's a direction. We are seeing consolidation on it now and it is going into reverse, but you could see all of the hype and excitement around it. The suitable time and to get those ETFs into the marketplace is going to be 2025 whilst the entirety starts to transport and starts off evolve to go parabolic HBR. Like the news, HBR had a large spike. Now it is go into reverse and it is doing the retest that I instructed you yesterday at some point of the stay movement. H-bar is the very best 10x in my opinion within the crypto foreign money recreation, and we get this breaking ripple within the virtual. Chamber have a meeting with the Federal Reserve Governor Bowman. This got here out from the digital chamber just the day before today. Here's the tweet. Here's the image. He says, we had a terrific